Now let's try this dirty Corona recipe.
What the heck are you doing now? I didn't even get the last beer you made.
I was making another one. This one's a dirty Corona. Do you see this? Do you see this bottle opener? That's pretty awesome. I don't know who those people are, but it's pretty cool.
You're just gonna make dirty Corona?
I'm gonna make dirty Corona. And because I don't want to lick the bottle, I'm gonna clean it off first.
You're just not supposed to lick it. I think you're supposed to rub the lime on it. That's what the guy at the bar did.
Yeah, I know, but he didn't clean it first.
He's always licking a dirty bottle? Oh, that's gross.
Yeah, so you rub the lime all over it. Oh, I shouldn't have took the cap off. This is why we make a mess. I'll have to clean this before the maid gets mad. Alright, so you shouldn't have took your cap off first, but you put the Tajin in it. Tajin. I don't know what it's called.
This stuff here.
And then you put some citrus vodka in this time. Citrus. See, lemon citrus. About a shot. That's good. And then you put a drop of Tabasco in there. Holy shnikes! This is gonna be good.
That's like
okay, that's five drops, but that's okay. We like it. And add a little extra Tajin in there. Just a little bit. Put your lime in it. I like to squeeze mine in there. People just like to drop them in. I like to squeeze it in. Then you do that fancy thing. I did it again. Oh, it's getting... It almost exploded.
No, it didn't almost explode. It did.
Well, we're gonna try it. Are you ready? It's okay. It doesn't taste like what that bartender made, but it's still pretty good. That makes it taste better. Cheers, babe.